In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Typeform. This integration can streamline your scheduling process, making it easier for you to collect responses and manage appointments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. The first step will be to navigate to your Typeform account. You'll want to go to the Workspaces section, which is where you can manage all your forms. In your browser, go ahead and type in the Typeform URL and sign in if you haven't done so already. Once you're inside, you'll see several options. You should look for the Workspaces tool on your dashboard. Once you've located the Workspaces section, the next thing you want to do is create a new form. To do this, look for the button that says New Form, which will typically be conveniently placed to grab your attention. Click that button and you're now ready to start building your form. Now that you've got a blank canvas to work on, the next step is to add some content. Look for the option that says Add Content, usually highlighted on your workspace. Clicking this will give you access to various types of questions and features you can include in your Typeform. After you've added some content, think about incorporating a scheduling feature. You can do this by typing Scheduler into the search bar or looking for options within the content menu. This will help you find the scheduling component that allows you to connect your Calendly account for bookings. Next, it's time to click on the Scheduler option. This could require you to scroll through a few options, but it should be clearly indicated. When you click on the Scheduler, you'll see various settings related to managing appointments, which is great for organizing your schedule directly through your Typeform. Now we need to connect Calendly to your Typeform. Click the button that says Connect Calendly. This step is essential because it links your scheduling tool directly with the form responses you've collected. By doing this, respondents will have the option to schedule time with you directly from your Typeform, which is super convenient. After clicking Connect Calendly, the next step is to authenticate your account. This process usually entails a few security steps to ensure that you're granting the right permissions. Look for the Authenticate button and click on that to begin this process. It might redirect you to the Calendly sign-in page where you will enter your credentials. Once you've authenticated your account, it's time to add your Calendly account details and proceed. Follow the prompts that come up and ensure that you select the right calendar options you want to link. This allows Typeform to pull in your availability directly from Calendly and will help avoid any scheduling conflicts. At this stage, double-check that everything is correct before wrapping things up. Ensure that your scheduler is properly set to your desired settings. After that, feel free to customize any further aspects of your Typeform to match your style or your brand. There you have it. You've successfully linked your Calendly account to Typeform. Now, whenever someone fills out your Typeform, they'll have the opportunity to schedule a meeting with you directly through Calendly. This not only makes life easier for you, but also enhances the experience for anyone filling out your form, as it reduces the back and forth often needed to find a suitable meeting time. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on linking Calendly to Typeform. I hope you found it helpful and now feel equipped to streamline your appointment scheduling. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Happy scheduling!